Just a month away from finishing 2024, and we have lost some unforgettable icons. The Nigerian entertainment industry has suffered significant blow in the past month with the passing of some of its cherished treasures. Saying goodbye to them has been very difficult. Welcome to NaijaNews TV, a place where we keep memories alive. Deji Aderemi. On the 4th of January 2024, veteran actor Deji Aderemi, also known as Olofa, passed away at the age of 73 after battling an undisclosed illness. Nollywood actor Saheed Balogun announced the news on his Instagram page. Deji Aderemi was born on the 15th of May 1950, and in 1972 he formed an acting group called Olofa Theatre Group before starting his film career in 1980. Jimi Solanke. On the 5th of February 2024, Nollywood actor and dramatist Jimi Solanke passed away at the age of 81 after a brief illness. Reports indicated that he had been in and out of hospital since December 2023 and passed away while being transported from his rural home in Ipararemo, Ogun State, to Babcock University Teaching Hospital in Ilisan. Jimi was born in the year 1942 and he began his artistic journey in the Horizon Theatre Group, founded by Wole Soyinka in 1961 and featured in films such as Kongi Harvest, Sango, and others. Ethel Aderemi-Ekpe. Actress and media personality Ethel Aderemi-Ekpe, known for her role as Segi in the sitcom Basi and Company, passed away on the 7th of February 2024 after battling cancer. Her passing was announced by Shaibu Husseini, the executive director of National Film and Video Censors Board (NFVCB). Tolani Quadri Oyebamiji, aka Sisi Quadri. Sisi Quadri gained fame for his charismatic performance in films, especially for his role in 2004 film Sheni Esheranko and the 2020 film Ebudola, among others. He also recently starred in the new Netflix original Anikulapo, Rise of the Spectre. Sadly, he passed away on the 1st of March 2024 at the age of 44 after battling illness. To our dear beloved comic actor John Okafor, also known as Mr. Ibu. John Okafor, popularly known as Mr. Ibu, sadly passed away at the age of 62 on the 2nd of March 2024 after suffering from cardiac arrest. The actor passed away at the Evercare Hospital in Lagos. Mr. Ibu underwent 2 amputations on one of his legs after suffering from an illness that requires 7 surgeries in total to save his life. In less than a week, Nollywood actress Adejumoke Aderounmu, popularly known for her role as Esther in the popular TV series Jennifer's Diary, passed away on Sunday, March 7, 2024. The actress' brother announced her passing through his Instagram story on that day. Aderounmu began a professional acting career in the movie Aruba, which was produced by Tunde Kilani in 2008. She starred alongside Buki Wright, Bukola Awoyemi, and Segun Adefila in the film. Amaechi Muonagor. Nollywood actor Amaechi Muonagor, who was born on the 20th August 1962, passed away on the 24th of March 2024 at the age of 61 after battling a kidney disease. He also suffered from diabetes for over 10 years, kidney failure, and a stroke which led to partial paralysis. Muonagor appeared in dozens of films, including Aki and Popo. It is one of his most famous roles, where he played the father of 2 mischief-making and exuberant teenagers. Junior Pope. Days after the death of Adejumoke, the news of the passing of Junior Pope Odonwodu, popularly called Junior Pope, broke out. The actor died on Wednesday, 10th of March 2024 while filming in Asaba, the Delta State capital. According to verified news outlet, the actor died during a boat trip. The boat capsized and him along 2 other yet-to-be-identified actors got drowned. His body was recovered and rushed to the hospital, where he was confirmed dead. Junior Pope got his breakthrough in Nollywood after featuring in Chidi Chikere's film Secret Adventures 2007. Some other notable works include Only Money, Wrong Initiation, and No Way Out. Dayo Adewunmi, popularly known as Sule Suebebe, veteran Nollywood actor Dayo Adewunmi, popularly known by his stage name Sule Suebebe, passed away on Wednesday morning, June 12, 2024, at an undisclosed hospital in Ibadan, the Oyo State capital. The news of Adewunmi's death was announced by Pastor Ademola Amusan, widely known as Agbala Gabriel. Stella Ikwuegbu. Veteran actress Stella Ikwuegbu died on Sunday, June 16, 2024. Her death was announced by a movie producer, Stanley Nkwo, aka Stanley on Top, via his Instagram page on Sunday. The actress began her career in 1990, appearing in numerous films such as Spoiler, Ukwa, Sound of Love, Holy Man, Two Hearts, Art of Stone, and Madam Koi Koi, among others. Aduke Ajayi, popularly known as Aduke Gold, died on the 12th of August 2024 at the University College Hospital UCH Ibadan on Monday. The family of the late gospel singer Aduke Ajayi has finally revealed her cause of death. Her unexpected death triggered diverse response on social media as fans and her colleague in the industry continue to grieve. Some claim that she died while undergoing fibroid surgery, but her family members stated that she died of cervical cancer with a proof of death certificate from the hospital. Moronkola Aduke was born on the 16th of March 1990. Tragically for her, she lost her parents at a very early age. Lastly, Onyeka Onwenu, legendary Nigerian singer and actress Onyeka Onwenu has reportedly died at the age of 72, Tuesday, July 30th, 2024. She died after performing at the birthday party of Mrs. Stella Okoli, owner of Emzor Pharmaceuticals, and was rushed to the Reddington Hospital in Lagos after slumping. Unfortunately, she was later confirmed dead at the hospital in Victoria Island. Onyeka Onwenu was born in 1952 in Obosi, Anambra State, Nigeria. She began her music career in 1980s and released her debut album For the Love of You, and in 1981 she has released numerous albums and singles, including the hit song One Love. Onwenu has also acted in several Nollywood films and has won numerous awards for her contributions to the music and film industry. She has been recognized as one of the pioneers of Nigerian music. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and do not forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more inspiring stories. Follow us on our social media handles and visit NaijaNews TV for more videos like this.